Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a dance to Your Ways Better by Forrest Frank. I've had a couple of requests for this dance, so I decided to go ahead and make a tutorial. It was choreographed by Bridget Nicole and David Myers, and I will tag one of their original videos down in the video description. So this is just my interpretation. We are going to break down the moves nice and slow. We're going to use a lot of repetition, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Please note that this is going to be the tutorial only, so there's not going to be any music in this video. When you're ready to practice this dance with music, or if you just want to see what it looks like with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music. Our first 8 count, you're going to have your hands in fists, and you're going to take your right arm up, then your left arm up, then your right arm down, then your left arm down. That's our first 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on 5, you're going to kick that right foot back a little as you kind of hit your hips. 5, and then you're going to put that foot down. 6, you're going to kick your left foot back. 7, you're going to put it down. 8. So just your feet are going kick, step, kick, step. You're going to hit your hips on that first kick, and then as you step, you can do a little roll with your arms into another hit of your hips. So you'll go hit, roll and step, hit, step. Again, kick and hit, roll and step, kick and hit, step. So this whole 8 count, our first 8 count, we take our right arm up, right arm down, left arm down, and then immediately you go hit, roll, hit, down. Yeah, let's try that. 5, 6, right arm goes up, go 1, 2, down, 3, 4, hit, 5, roll 6, hit 7, 8. Yeah, it's a little faster. Ready? 5, 6, right arm goes up. 1, 2, 3, then we hit 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Remember, it's a recording. You can pause it and practice that 8 count as many times as you need to. When you're ready to go on, our second 8 count. So we just kicked and kicked. You're taking your feet out, together, out, together. So we're going right, together, left, together. You're going to take your hands one on top of the other. I don't think it matters which. You're going to push them down as you step to the right, and then you're going to go to your heart as you step to the left. So push it down and take it to your heart. Push it down and take it to your heart. 5, 6, push your arms down. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go 5. You're making half a heart with your right hand. 6, and then you're going to put them together. 7. So you're making your heart with your right hand, your left hand, and then put them together. Put my heart back together. Oh, don't listen to that singing. That's 5, 6, 7, and you'll hold the count of 8. So we step to the right, 1 together, 2, then heart, 4, then we go 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Yeah, try that 8 count. 5, 6, step out to your right, push down, 2, heart, 3, 4, right, 5, left, 6 together, 7, hold 8. It's faster. 5, 6, touch out right, go 1, 2, heart, 3, 4, out, out, together, and hold. Yeah, back to the top. So we're going to start with that right arm up. Here we go. You got it. 5, 6, right arm goes up on 1, 2, down 3, 4, then hit, roll, hit, step right, together, heart, together, right, left, together, and hold. Great job. Our third 8 count, we just did our heart. We're going to circle to the right and then back. Now, I believe the technical footwork is left, right, touch, left, right, left. And you're going to take, but don't get too caught up in it. We're just going to turn and then turn back. So we're going to have our hands overhead in fists, and I'm going to turn it to the right, and then it's like you're stopping short, and then you're going to turn back to the left, and then we're going to hit your head 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So you're going to the right for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, then you're going to go back. 4, 5, 6, 7. And this other hand is just, you know, whatever you want to do, but you're touching your head with right, left, right. So we're going turn it to the right, left, right, left, right. So we're rebounding. I'm stepping on my left foot. Left, right, touch, left, right, left, right. Yeah, again, we're turning to the right, but I'm stepping on my left foot. Left, right, touch, then we rebound. Left, and then I'm gonna touch my head. Right, left, right. Yeah, try that. So we're here, and we're gonna step to your right. 5, 6, step to your right. Go 1, 2, 3, turn 4, hit 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Try it again. 5, 6, turn it to your right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Yeah, very, very nice. Just have fun with it. If you're moving, you're doing it right. So back to the top, we're gonna take that right arm up. It's gonna look like this. 5, 6, let's put it all together. Go right, left, hit 5, circle 6, hit 7, 8, touch out to your right, then left with your heart, then take your hands apart, 6, 7, then we turn it to the right, 2, 3, turn it 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Yeah, very nice. Our fourth and final 8 count. We just hit our head. Boom, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Arms are gonna come down. You're going to jump, and if you don't like to jump, I'm gonna give you an option. You're gonna jump with your left foot crossing in front. 1, and I'm just gonna take my hands up, then I'm gonna unwind to the back. 2. So you're turning to the right because you can't go the other way, right? So left foot goes in front, left, unwind, then we're gonna do that same motion, but now your right foot's gonna jump in front, and you're gonna unwind again to this same wall, but you're turning to the left. So we're not making a complete circle, we're only turning to this one wall here. So you're going left in front, drop your hands, right in front, drop your hands, but it's nice and fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't like to jump, it's still gonna be fast, but you can take your feet and just step cross, right, left, unwind, and then you're gonna wanna go left, right, unwind. So you're just taking that other foot behind. Right, left, right. Or jump and jump. That's our 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it, stepping or jumping. 5, 6, left foot in front. Go 1, 2, right, 3, 4, our last 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna step touch. So we're gonna step to the right, touch left, step left, touch right. So you're just going step, touch, and you can take your arms and bounce into it. Just swing that other arm in front. That's fun. As you step to the right, the left arm swings in front, and then the same thing, the opposite swings this way. And on the count of 8 in the song, it says like, oh, whoa, something like that. And you can kind of whoa, or whoa, or whoa. You can do whatever you want on that count. And that's it. That 8th count is how we finish. Yeah, so 4 8 counts total. So our last 8 count, you just did 5, 6, 7. You're gonna jump your left foot in front. 1, unwind 2, right foot goes 3, 4, then you're gonna step to the right, touch your left, step to the left, touch your right, or whatever you wanna do on, oh, yes, great job. Try that 4th 8 count. 5, 6, left foot goes in front. Go 1, 2, right, 3, 4, step, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic. Let's go back to the top and put all of our 8 counts together. We're going really slow just for our brains and our memories to see how it all fits before we go faster. So we're starting with that 1, 2, 3, 4. Right arm, left arm up. 5, 6, you got it. Right arm goes up. On 1, 2, down 3, 4, kick back 5, circle 6, 7, then touch out right. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, arm, 5, 6 together, 7, then we turn it to the right, 2, 3, rebound, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump left, 1, 2, jump right, 3, 4, step touch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, great job. You are doing an amazing job. We're going to try to go a little bit faster here. Remember, you can pause this, go back, watch it at that tempo as many times as you need to. If you're ready to speed up though, yeah, you ready? You're ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right arm goes up on 1, 2, 3. Kick back on 5, circle 6, 7. Step, touch right, 2, 3, 4. Heart, hands, 6, 7. Turn it to your right, 1, 2. Rebound, 4. Touch 5, 6, 7. Jump left, 1. Right, 3. Step, touch right. Together, left. Oh, yeah, fantastic. All right, it's even faster. Are you ready? If you're not, that's okay. Go back, watch those other tempos again. If you're ready, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe in you. 5, 6, we got it. 5, 6, 5, 6, right arm up. 1, 2, 3, kick. 5, 6, 7, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, hand, 6, 7, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump left, 2, 3, step, touch, 6, 7. Oh, fantastic job. Ooh, that was our tutorial. That was something at that tempo, wasn't it? You did a fantastic job. Thank you for joining me here today. Remember, if you want to try it with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please make sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. Remember to be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in a future tutorial.